under there.
Yeah.
And if he gets momentum, he's going to go up, and he might.
He'll hit the bottom on the middle.
He might just land. And of course, he didn't put his hitch on the front. If he'd put his winch on the front, we could winch him up. You know?
Yeah.
Want to get the winch out? Oh yeah.
Rolling.
How we get over there and probably there's nothing over there.
Yeah, no place to turn around.
How are we gonna get over there?
Just like that.
Water.
He's gonna have to.
How's the road over there?
All right, wait.
Hold it. Hold it. First of all, that's got to come down.
Yeah, for sure. You take that right off of that tree.
Yeah. What do you think?
I don't think they'll have much trouble.
No?
Looks kind of, I was really hit with my trailer here.
Okay.
Give him hell, Rock.
What?
Are you in gear?
Yeah.
Go into park. Now go.
Dad, what's with your four-wheel?
Hold on. Just go into park. You in four-wheel?
This four-wheel's deep. Dad,
Yeah.
what's with your four-wheel? You just click it over, don't you?
Yeah.
Hi, it just keeps beeping though.
You have it in pocket.
No, don't back up.
Don't back up. He didn't hit the side of the rock.
No.